We grew up seeing our rivers turn from lifelines to lifeless streams of waste.
But what if we could clean water using the power of water itself?
Pure Flow is our innovation, a self-purifying system that filters water in real time.
Using solar power and piezoelectricity from the water, the device is able to sustain itself. No power lines, no power grids, just data, clean water, and impact.
We're tackling pollution in rivers like Nairobi using smart sensors, real-time response, and a community-driven action.
And we're creating green jobs, partnering with recyclers, and scaling a system that can work anywhere, from cities to coastlines.
This isn't just a project, it's our commitment to action, one clean river at a time.